Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about human anatomy and physiology, chapter cardiovascular system, mainly MCQ type question. Before MCQ question discussion, like respiratory system, we are also going to discuss about the notes, whatever the important MCQ from this note are coming regularly. So first we will go through detail about our notes, then we will discuss the MCQ questions. Cardiovascular system or structure part from muscular pump or the size 12 centimeter long, 9 centimeter width, 6 centimeter thick, 300 gram weight, 3, 6, 9, 12. Then apart from this, another question may comes the mediastinum. It is located near the middle of the thoracic cavity or mediastinum, or covering of the heart, pericardium, or pericardial fluid, definition of the pericardial fluid, or the wall of the heart, epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. So these are the MCQ type question comes. Valve, definition, unidirectional blood flow, valve, or the ventricle, the thickest, the left ventricle is 3 times thicker than the right ventricle, so thicker wall of the heart. Then sound, love sound, dove sound. How love sound is produced? Ventricle, every ventricle closed. How dove sound is produced? Semilunar valve closed. Tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, right, left. Already we have discussed in the note. RIGHT, right, 5 words, so tri. Similarly left, 4 words, smaller, bi. SA node, also known as pacemaker, where the generate impulse or rhythmical impulse are generated. The function of AV valve. This type of question comes in the examination. Or cardiac cycle. Most of the time question comes from cardiac cycle. Definition, diastole, systole. Then isovolumetric pressure. Then time, atrial systole time, ventricular systole time, joint diastole, cardiac output formula, stroke volume into heart rate, the cardiac output. Then ECG, P, atrial depolarization, QRS complex, ventricular depolarization. बहुत क्वेश्चन आसे from this component of electrocardiogram. Then PR interval or segment, ST segment, ventricular depolarization, repolarization, এই सब क्वेश्चन आसी थाई from electrocardiogram or cardiac output or cardiac cycle. Most of the question comes from this part. Apart from this blood circulation part, mainly pulmonary circulation between heart and lungs, systemic circulation between heart and other parts of the body, coronary circulation within the heart. A type of question, 1 mark question comes. और को vein काकू blood supply दे थाए, blood circulation दे, systemic circulation दे, जो artery रो branches गुड़ा को केमती ही थाए, branches of aorta, ascending aorta, arch of aorta, descending thoracic aorta, descending abdominal aorta, पुणी ascending aorta केमती branch ही थाए. So ये सब क्वेश्चन गुड़ा को आर्च ऑफ एओर्टा, ब्राचियोसेफेलिक एओर्टा और कॉमन कैरोटिड एओर्टा, ये जो ब्रांचेस गुड़ा को कोटा फास्ट ब्रांचेस कौन, ये सब क्वेश्चन गुड़ा को आसी थाए फ्रॉम दिस कार्डियोवास्कुलर चैप्टर. को आर्टरी क्या ब्लड सप्लाई करी थाए, मेनली मेजर ऑर्गन गुड़ा को वेन क्या ब्लड सप्लाई करी थाए. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन कम्स from this cardiovascular system. So the branch of science which deals with the blood forming tissue and disorder is called cardiovascular system. Or cardiovascular system consists of mainly heart and blood vessel or blood. While the hematology is the branch of science is the which deals with the study of blood and tissue. And hematology blood out tissue study करियाटा कुहा जाई थाए. But at the same time cardiovascular system आमे blood heart और blood vessel विषय रे study करियाटा कुहा जाई. So the heart is also called muscular pump. That is also called the muscular pump, hollow muscular concept organ, and size is 3, 6, 9, 12 centimeter. So which of the following membrane is responsible for the protection of the heart? Pericardium, the covering of the heart, जे कि protect करिथाय heart को. It is composed of tough, dense, inelastic, irregular connective tissue. The highest rate of increased pressure happen in left ventricle. Left ventricle रे अधिक pressure increase करिथाय बा बढ़ी थाय बा दबा पाई पड़थाय to flow the whole parts of the blood flow to the or reaches to the every parts of the body. Oxygen is taken from lungs. Two chamber of the heart is known as, to superior chamber is known as arteria, to inferior chamber is known as ventricle. So the atrioventricular node is important for the heart function because it directs the cardiac impulse from the atria to ventricle and it delay the transmission of cardiac impulse from the atria to ventricle. AV valve जो कहतुली जमती एसए नोड रे इंपल्स टा जनरेट हैला परे से एवी वाल्व को आसी थाए. एवी वाल्व कौन करे ना से कार्डियक इंपल्स टा को आर्टेरिया रु वेंट्रिकल को बा परकेंजी फाइबर रा डायरेक्शन रे सेंड कर दिए इंपल्स टा को. तो किछि समय डिले हुए, सो इट डिले द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ कार्डियक इंपल्स फ्रॉम द आर्टेरिया टू वेंट्रिकल जीवा पाई. एवी वाल्व. नाउ द लोअर टू चैम्बर ऑफ द हार्ट इज नोन एज वेंट्रिकल. Heart of the heart. Heart ro heart kaku कहते हैं SA node. Heart of the heart is SA node. Which of the following has the thickest one? Left ventricle. Pacemaker is SA node. SA node is located upper lateral wall of the right atrium. Right atrium ro upper lateral wall रे SA node ता अवस्थित. Bundle of fish is made up of muscular tissue supplied to the ventricle. Blood enter into the heart because of the muscle of atria relax. That means when the blood is enter into our heart, both the atria relax condition. So the opening of the right atrium into the right ventricle is guarded by tricuspid valve. Right atrium ru right ventricle tricuspid valve अछि, left atrium ru left ventricle रे bicuspid valve अछि. Then ताकू मध्य mitral valve कहा जाइता है. Mitral valve is present in between the left atrium and left ventricle. Artery are the blood vessel that carry the blood away from the heart. Heart ru जो जहाँ भी बाहरी बो through artery दे की flow होबो, heart को जहाँ भी possible through vein दे की possible. So pulmonary vein carry the oxygenated blood to the heart. So ECG record electrical changes in which the following layer of the heart mark the correct option, that is myocardium. That means ECG is an electrocardiogram. ECG electrocardiogram which record the electrical changes in the myocardium layer, to the muscle layer heart. Then the systemic circulation include all of the following structure except pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein is in between the heart and lungs, so it comes under the pulmonary circulation. But systemic circulation, aorta, femoral vein, superior vena cava, renal artery, these are all comes under systemic circulation. Vascular resistance is determined by the diameter of the blood vessel. Then question comes from cardiac cycle. Pulse pressure is determined by stroke volume. Then pulse pressure is determined by the stroke volume, or the cardiac output is determined by the heart rate or volume of the blood returning to the heart, or after load, which depends on the systemic vascular resistance or mechanical properties of the heart. All these things are determined by cardiac output. So answer is all of the above. Which of the following terms describe the volume of blood ejected by the heart in 1 minute? That is cardiac output. That means 1 minute रे जेतिकी परिमाण रो blood आम heart रू बाहर को बाहर ताकू or blood ejected from the heart, that is called cardiac output. What is the normal QT interval? That is 0.35 seconds. What is the ventricles are completely depolarized during which isoelectric portion of the electrocardiogram, that is ST segment. P wave is due to atrial depolarization. QR complex is due to ventricular depolarization. What is her cardiac output in milliliter per minute? That is approximately cardiac output per minute is 6000 or 6 liter. Then during the isoelectric contract phase, the ventricular volume does not change. During the rapid ejection phase, the ventricular pressure, that is normal blood pressure. कहीं ना सबु थर rapidly ventricular ejection ही थाई बा blood ejection from the heart rapidly blood टा ejection हुए तेणु सेटा ही तारो normal blood pressure or ventricular pressure, that is 120 by 80 mmHg. QRS complex occur during which phase? Na ventricular depolarization. Which one of the following is an yearly phase of systole? Isovolumetric system. Or ventricular systole causes the atrioventricular valve to close and then semilunar valve to open. That is ventricular systole causes. Or ventricular contraction हेले AV valve टा close होबो, semilunar valve open होबो. When the pressure in the ventricle becomes lower than the pressure of the atria, the answer is atrioventricular valve open. Why did the AV valve close during the beginning of the ventricular contraction? The pressure of the ventricle is higher than the pressure of the in the atrium. Where the heart is specially located, that is mediastinum. Then the apical heartbeat is an adult is best heard at the level of fifth intercostal space. माने कोठी स्टेथोस्कोप रे भलो सुना जीवो चेस्ट रो को पर्सन रे, that is the apical portion or the fifth intercostal space रे भलो भाबरे साउंड ता में सुनी पारिबा. The membrane closest to the heart muscle, that is called visceral pericardium. Also epicardium जोटा को आमे कहूचे epicardium सहित लागी की रहउची कोटा ना visceral pericardium. What is the prominent symptoms of pericarditis? That is severe chest pain. Severe chest pain होउची pericarditis रो symptoms टा. Which part of the heart is usually damaged by scarlet fever or syphilis? That is endocardium. The atrioventricular sulcus separate the atria and ventricle area. Then blood from the cardiac muscle itself drain into the superior vena cava. The superior vena cava enter the right atrium of the heart. Right atrium re entry kori thai vena cava ta. Then mitral valve, left atrium and left ventricle bhitre. Mitral valve prolapse is the condition which cause the blood backflow into the left atrium. माने left atrium को blood backflow हेबा को दबो नहीं किए ना mitral valve. The pulmonary semilunar valve prevent the backflow of the blood into right ventricle. Then which of the following contain blood with the relatively high oxygen content? Left ventricle. Then which of the following contain blood relatively low oxygen? Relatively high oxygen at left ventricle, relatively low oxygen at pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. Which of the following does not belong to the with other right coronary artery? Which term indicates that the tissue in the heart has died? That is infraction. Which term refers to the severe chest pain evident during an attack of myocardial ischemia? That is angina. What does blood flow into the coronary artery during ventricular relaxation? About 70% of the arterial blood flow into the ventricle before atrial contraction. माने relaxation stage रे 70% of the blood ventricle रे fill up होई थाए. The atria will empty during atrial systole. The fast heart sound result when the AV valve close. The stethoscope placed at the tip of the sternum, which is the best detect which sound? Tricuspid valve or lobe sound. Which fiber system is the best? Is the fast to depolarize in a cardiac cycle? That is SA node. Which chamber is the heart contain pacemaker? Right atrium. That is SA node. The days allow atria to communicate with the ventricle? AV node. Which part of the heart is the last to become excited during a cardiac cycle? That is superior ventricular region. AV node allow the atria to completely empty as the ventricle fill with blood. The cardiac reflex control center are located within the medulla oblongata. The pressure receptor located in the aortic sinus respond to stretching by slower the rate of heart. The purpose of medullary cardiac center is to increase the heart rate. Then the increase of heart rate caused by seeing a wild dog run after you is probably the result of the hypothalamus. Where does the repolarization of the atria occur? QRS complex. The time taken an impulse to travel from a SA node to AV node is the evidence in the PQ interval. PQ interval ru ame jani pariba. The most serious and life threatening arrhythmia of the heart is fibrillation. Disease गुड़ा भी बड़े बड़े आसे तेणु disease गुड़ा को भी देखिया पाई पड़िबो. The base layer of the artery contain the greatest amount of smooth muscle, that is tunica media. Which of the following does not have ability to contract? That is capillary. The amount of blood ejected by the left ventricle each minute is calculated from which formula? That is heart rate into stroke volume, that is cardiac output. Which are the first vessel to branch of the aorta? Coronary artery. First branches गोटे छोट आर्टरी बा स्मॉल आर्टरी हार्ट को जे ब्लड दे थाए से फास्ट ब्रांच होता है एओर्टा रू, that is coronary artery. The three arteries that arise from the aortic arc are the left subclavian, left common carotid and brachiocephaly. The longest vein, that is saphenous. In ECG, where does the depolarization of the atria occur? In the P wave. So this is all about your cardiovascular question. Mainly we have to focus the ECG, P wave, P wave और Q TS जो वेव गुड़ाक अच्छी से गुड़ा को टिके फोकस करिया पाई पड़िबो, डिजीज गुड़ा को टिके देखिया पाई पड़िबो. सो ए जिंस गुड़ा को हमको जेमति QRS कॉम्प्लेक्स, P वेव, T वेव, U वेव ए जिंस गुड़ा को टिके भलो भाबरे डिपोलाराइजेशन, रिपोलाराइजेशन को कंडीशन रे को वेव गुड़ा को हमें देखि कि जानि परिबा. सो ताकू टिके देखियार अछि. डिजीज गुड़ा को भलो भाबरे टिके देखियार अछि, डिजीज कंडीशन गुड़ा को. Then like infraction indicate the tissue of the heart die. Then chest pain in case of angina. So ये जिनस गुड़ा को टिके फोकस करिवार अछि. आउ ओवरऑल साइज, शेप, लोकेशन, फंक्शन, कंडक्शन एटा तो जानिछो, एटा तो ऑलरेडी पढ़ा हेछि थ्योरी रे भी, तेणु एगुड़ा इजीली अटेंड करि परिबो. So thank you for watching this video.